Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will talk about Coderabbit. Is it worth it? The concept behind Coderabbit is interesting. Instead of being just another AI tool where you paste in code and ask questions, this one actually integrates straight into GitHub. You can decide it as a reviewer and it will go through your pull requests, leave comments, and even provide summaries of large PRs so the whole team can review things more efficiently. When used on a daily basis, you'll notice it's generally useful for the smaller routine checks, things like catching missing tasks, pointing out hard-coded values, or flagging code that doesn't follow your conventions. It's not flawless, but it does reduce a lot of repetitive back and forth during reviews. Where it falls short is in the deeper, more complex areas. It's not going to replace human reviewers when it comes to big picture architecture choices or anything security sensitive. And sometimes it overdoes it, leaving comments on things your team style guide already covers. In terms of cost, it's usage based. That means you're charged depending on how many pull requests it reviews. For smaller teams, the pricing is usually fine. But if you're at a company pushing tons of PRs every day, you'll want to pay close attention to how much you're actually spending. So, what's the bottom line? If your team deals with a constant flow of pull requests and you'd benefit from having an AI teammate handle repetitive review tasks, CodeRabbit is definitely worth checking out. But if your current review process is already solid and thorough, you might find it more distracting than helpful. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks.